The Supreme Court has okayed the health care overhaul. What does that now mean for small businesses, especially here in Connecticut? Connecticut Democrats are celebrating the Supreme Court decision that sets that Affordable Care Act into motion.
One group highlighted in today's news conference was small business and how this will help. News 8's Jamie Muro has more.
You're trying to carve a living out for yourself and your employees.
As a small business owner, Kevin Galvin has been looking for a Band-Aid for some time when it comes to health care costs. He thinks he may have finally found it with the Affordable Care Act.
I just would like to really think that the system is going to start doing something for small business rather than talking about it.
Kevin, of course, is not alone in his relief of last week's Supreme Court decision upholding the health care law.
People across America need to know that affordable health care is on its way.
Democratic lawmakers were praising the ruling, projecting Connecticut's uninsured population will drop by at least 170,000 people.
What does this mean to the people here in our state? Well, it means that the almost 380,000 individuals who are not insured will become insured under this law.
One hope is that relief may come to Connecticut's small business employees, which will allow them to participate in what is known as the exchange, where one can shop for a provider at the lowest cost. What do you say to the naysayers?
The naysayers, when they have a kid who could die without health care coverage or can't get health care coverage, they have employees, potential employees they can't hire. They have employees they can't keep, and business they can't do, and money they can't make. Have them come to me and tell them that health care, the ACA, is not important.
Kevin has lost valued employees to bigger companies who can provide health care, a seemingly continuous open wound that may finally begin to heal.
When the rubber meets the road, people go to work to make money and to live. And with health care coverage, with me not being able to have health care coverage, puts me at a huge disadvantage.
So the Democrats had their say. We wanted to get Republican input on what this health care law will mean for Connecticut. So I spoke with Senator Andrew Rohrabaugh, who tells me the Supreme Court decision, not something to be celebrated. He says this is going to cost Connecticut jobs. It's going to slow economic recovery. He said specifically because of the 21 new taxes that will be required to cover this plan. That tallies up to $800 million in new taxes that we'll be spending over the next 10 years. Obviously, this is a debate that will continue for quite some time. We're live in the Hartford Newsroom. I'm Jamie Muro, News 8.